Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're taking a closer look at the Dolphin Cayman robotic pool cleaner. The Dolphin Cayman is popular for its appealing price tag of about $700. The Cayman has desirable features like hyper-grip tracks that help it climb walls, a spinning brush that scrubs away debris, and a filter cartridge that's easy to remove. It only lacks a few of the advanced features like waterline cleaning and remote navigation. While these are standard on premium models like the Dolphin Premier or Sigma, the Dolphin Cayman is a scaled-back version of the brand's top-tier models. We tested the Cayman over several days to see if it could outperform its price tag. Here's what we found. First, let's take a look at what all comes with the Dolphin Cayman. Like we said, it's light, just 14 pounds, and this ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry and lift out of the pool. The 50-foot cable makes it ideal for pools that are about 33 feet long, so any small to medium pool. But you'll notice it doesn't have an anti-tangle swivel, which decreases tension that causes tangling. You can schedule it to run daily or 2 to 3 times a week on the power supply. It has a pretty simple interface. Just plug it in and let the Cayman get to work. And finally, it comes standard with this large top-loading filter basket. It snaps apart for straightforward cleaning and clicks back into the Cayman easily. Once you get the Cayman into your pool, you can expect to see it clean the floors and walls, maybe even the steps. It has Dolphin's SmartNav 2.0 scanning software, which maps your pool so it can create the most efficient cleaning routes. These hyper-grip tracks are key to the Cayman's climbing ability. Compared to wheels that slip a lot, the tracks cling to pool surfaces, even vertical ones. Plus, the Cayman is lightweight, so it can be more mobile with less power. Speaking of power, the Cayman has 2 DC motors that use about 90% less energy than traditional cleaners, and a standard 2-hour cleaning job adds up to 10 cents of energy cost. This hyper brush on the front of the Cayman spins quickly, and the tough rubber bristles help dislodge debris. This is way more effective than just a vacuum or even a static brush. The biggest test of robotic pool cleaners' performance is in its filtration system, and we classify the Cayman as good. The filter basket is spacious, it's easy to get to, and it's simple to clean. Just snap apart the panels and rinse, but it has a few flaws. First and foremost is the filter media. This type of mesh material is standard on nearly every robot in this price range, but it's not fine enough to capture all the debris that makes pool water cloudy. This is a minor point for some users, but the second issue with the Cayman's filtration system is that you're restricted to just this one filter media. For the most efficient cleaning, you want a cleaner that has filter media options like the Dolphin Premier. For the Premier, you can use a microfilter for debris as small as 2 microns, or even an oversized bag for larger debris, like leaves. As it is, the Cayman, like most other robots, leaves you with just one filtration option. If you're a user who likes simple, you'll probably appreciate the Cayman. It's lightweight, so you can get away with not needing a pool caddy. And you can schedule it to run it on its own with the timer. But each cleaning is a standard 2 hours. If you need more or less, you have to start or stop it manually. Finally, the Cayman comes with just a 2-year limited warranty. And this is a little short, especially compared to the Dolphin Sigma and Dolphin Premier, which have full 3-year warranties. But you can try the Cayman for 30 days risk-free. Ultimately, the Cayman is a solid robotic pool cleaner if you're looking to upgrade from an old-fashioned pressure or suction side cleaner, but you're not ready to invest in a premium model like the Dolphin Premier or Sigma. The Cayman does a lot of dirty work for you, like scrubbing the floors and walls, picking up large debris, circulating water, and automated cleanings. But like every other robot in this price range, it can't clean your water line. In the end, the Cayman is a good value. It's a lot of robot for the money, especially if you're looking for a mid-tier robotic pool cleaner. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Cayman and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website to find the best tips, tricks for pool ownership, and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential. Be sure and check our deals at PoolBots.com. There, you'll often save big with instant coupons and free or discounted accessories like storage covers. Our staff is also standing by to help you pick the best robotic pool cleaner for your pool, all at an unbeatable price.